Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're looking for a hot chocolate or mocha substitute, then I recommend this Teeccino Maca Chocolate Herbal Tea. I know it's so surprising that it's actually tea because it has such a strong, bold flavor. It has hints of chili, cacao, and chocolate that just light up your taste buds. It's not sweet, it tastes more like an unsweetened dark chocolate, but what I love to do is add a little bit of creamer and then a sweetener, and it really brings out the flavor and makes it so yummy to drink. What I like to do to make a really good brew is to shake the envelope with the tea bag inside. Then I pour boiling water over the top of the tea bag and dip it several times in the cup. And you can actually see the water start off kind of pale, but then by the time you're done dipping several times, it's already started to turn into a nice dark rich color. You should really try this tea if you're looking for something that will help curb a sweet craving or caffeine craving. It's going to really hit the spot. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.